Hey John, it's your dad. Just making a video of John Erkey's house. Just want to show you everything. There's Dad's car. Uncle John's car. This is his new house. I'm gonna take you in the backyard, show you everything. He's got a big backyard, little boy. He's got a nice deck back here. See that? Very cool, isn't it? And we walk back here, and he's got a fire pit. And he's got a little raised garden bed. And he's got a nice stone walkway. See? Look at this. He's got some woods back here. He just bought this house. Then he can have fires out here. This fire pit. We'll go down the walkway here. And you can see the back of the house. Very cool, isn't it? Now we'll go back, take a little tour inside the house. Oh, neighbors over there. We'll put some flowers down there. Garbage. Front door. Here's this garage. And then we're gonna go inside the house. Kitchen. This is a very nice kitchen. TV, couch. Nice view of the woods. Very nice, isn't it? Now we're gonna go downstairs. Hey, kitty. All right, now we're gonna go downstairs. It's got a lot of room in this house. Ceiling fan, right? Bathroom right here. Mechanicals. Oh, sorry. There's the kitty. Hi, kitty. All right, well, look at the rest of it. Nice window and more bedrooms. Nice sized rooms. Making a video for John.
Nice.
Who's this?
Hi, John. How are you?
Yep. All right, kiddo. I'll see you tomorrow.